Good evening, boys and girls, fellow outdoorsmen. Today we're going to be looking at the CVLIFE Military Rucksack Tactical Bag. Well, guys and girls, I'll show you some of the reasons why I personally like this bag. We'll go on the back side. It's got nice, heavy, round your shoulder handles. It's got a chest string so it doesn't flop around. It's got a waistband. I'm actually going to personally use it probably for a camo, an army bag to carry my weapons and stuff when we're out backpacking. It's got a removable front bag that can actually comes off and be used as a fanny bag also. It's got the side pouches that come off, like water bottles, clips. It's got a lot of cool features. It's got straps, 50 liter is what they say inside capacity is. It's got nice heavy zippers. It's got storage spaces everywhere. You'll lose stuff in it. Inside, very roomy. That's just the first side. It'd be nice for hauling sleeping bags for outdoors backpackers. People like to hike mountains. It's got a bigger area in the back. Get all the straps off of it. So, bigger area in the back. You put your clothing, camping stuff. Outdoors people. Shooting bag. It is a tactical bag. It's very light. Very heavy zippers. I like the big zippers on them. I had one personally that I use all the time still when I go off-roading. The zippers always break. It's got very nice heavy zippers. And it's got little, tie gadgets. You could tie, your ropes and your lanyards. All this, side pockets come off. They are Velcroed on. So they all remove. You have little pouches you can store stuff in. The other side also does the same. It comes off also. The front comes off. These are buttoned on. I'll show you that in a couple seconds. So you still, you can haul quite a bit of stuff in it. It's got places you can tie stuff down to. Tons of different little add-ons they also carry for these things too. I was actually looking at. It's got knitting. You can store your other stuff in it. Well, friends, I put the tactical bag on. It's got a fully adjustable, to me, it's stomach band. Chest bars, shoulder straps are all fully adjustable. They do have anchor points so the bag's not pulling back on your lower back, which are nice. They're also fully adjustable, so you don't have the sagging bag. I'll turn around. Bag's, well fit to the back, really tight, so it's not sagging on your back, making your back hurt, giving you calf cramps and back cramps. Very easily to take off. Quick snaps. Which are nice and heavy, fully adjustable. They got your little Velcro tabs, so they don't come loose. Well, guys, I'm going to show you some of the features of this backpack, tactical bag. It's got two side pockets. They're both removable. They got double Velcro. Just pull out. They have elastic built onto the side so you can adjust your height and stuff. They got them on the front, so if you want to, tie your phone case or your camera, decent size, Well, friends, I'm going to give you a closer look at how the bags come off and on of the tactical bag. There's double Velcro straps on both side bags. They connect in the loops here. Just push them through, you Velcro back on, do both sides. They're fully adjustable. You can raise them and lower them as low as you want to go. Same with the other far side. They do have a strap that goes around them to hold them up, so they're not like bouncing around when you're hiking. Very decent sized bags. You fit your water bottles, cell phones, cameras, you know, personal items. They have a little flap here, so you know if you got something wet. Front bag, the fanny pack. It buttons on the back side. Very strong buttons. Same thing. You could go through your loops. You can move them to your side. This is a fanny pack. It's got a waistband inside the bag, so you don't lose it for storage. So it comes with a belt for your fanny pack. Very nicely sized. It's got little organizers. It's got a front pocket with dividers. Side pockets would be good for like your small cell phones, cameras, matches, cigarettes. The backpack's got a lot of spring-loaded clips that are nice and heavy. You can carry it. You can make a purse, like over-the-shoulder purse, out of this, or you can and your straps button on. So you can use it, you know, even if you don't want to carry the whole bag, you want to take your little bag, carry your little thing, put it around your waist, just like this. Make a waist bag out of it. Or you can move it up top and make a man purse. You can, you know, make it a over-the-shoulder bag. So if you just want to carry this, just carry it over your shoulder. The other bag comes off the same way as the other bag. Basically just 2 Velcro straps. Slide it out. Same size bag as the first one we showed you. Double-sided Velcro. Very strong Velcro. I forgot to mention in the bag, it does have padded shoulders and no rub chest and belly pads. So when you're on your long camps. There's a lot of storage space in these bags. I really like that. You can haul a lot of items. And they feel very rugged. That was my look at the CVLIFE Military Tactical Backpack. For further information, look at the descriptions below. We would appreciate your likes and comments. Thank you and have a great day.